Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to show you how to make German chocolate cake with this box. Okay, I have two boxes of the German chocolate cake mix here. Okay, and I already made the German chocolate frosting on another video, so you can check that video. I made it right before this one so that you'll know how to incorporate it. Okay, alright, so let's do it. Alright, thanks. Oh, by the way, come on, give it a thumbs up. Come on, give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, share the video, subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Check out those links below. I have a YouTube and a GoFundMe, and if that is to support this channel if you would like. Okay, alright, let's get started. Okay, so our cake is all mixed up. Let me let you see that. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the cake into the cake pan. I have 3 of them. Okay, so you notice I poured a little in each one first, and now I'm going to go back and add a little at a time. You want to leave 1/4 of the cake pan on the around the edge free, so that when it rises, it doesn't go over. Okay. Okay, that'll do it. Now if I had used one box, it wouldn't have been enough. You can see that. One box, I only would have gotten 2 layers. So if you want 3 layers, you got to use 2 boxes of the cake mix. Okay? Alright, that works. Now I'm going to put them in the oven on 350 until they I can stick a knife in it and it comes out clean with no cake on it. Okay? Alright, let me do that. Let me give you the word of the day. Our cakes are out. I'm happy to show you that, but I would like to give you the word of the day now. Okay? Okay, so the word of the day is, you know, everybody's been cramped in the house for a couple of months and not really going anywhere and anxious to get out. So one thing you could do is you could take the family for a long ride, you know, and at least they're out. You can let down the windows and maybe stop and get an ice cream if an ice cream place is open, so that they feel like they've gotten some fresh air and they got out. That's kind of the best thing that you can do. Don't overcrowd the car so that everybody is spaced out a little, and until we can get through this. Okay, I myself, my fresh air rides are to the grocery store, of course, because the only thing is open is the grocery store and Walmart and Target. So that's the only place that you can go. So that's how I get my little air. Okay, so that's the word of the day. I just wanted to tell you that and tell you to please hang in there. Hopefully this will be over soon with this sickness going nationwide. Okay, be safe. Alright, so I'm going to show you the cakes and let you know that I'll be letting them cool. I'm going to let them cool for about an hour, and then I'll come back with you and I'll put the German chocolate frosting on it. How about that, huh? Okay, so you know you can check that video out, how to make the German frosting on the video before this one. Okay? Alright, so let's do it. Let me show you. Here's the cake. Okay, it's 3 of them. They're out of the oven. So I'm going to let them cool and I'll come back to you in 1 hour. Thank you. Okay, so I cut the top off of this cake and the other cake. So I just have this cake left to cut the top off. So I saved it to show you. Okay, so you want to just put your knife in. You're cutting off this peak, okay? You want to put your knife in and you want to just move the plate. Leave the knife in position and move the plate. Okay, if you go off track, you can see where you went off and you can fix it. Alright, so you can see where I went off track. Let me show you. See how this is lower and this is higher? So I'm going to fix that. Just going to come back in and take that portion off. Okay? Alright. Alright, so now what I want to do is we're going to start frosting the cake. I want to make sure you can see. Alright, so here's our German chocolate frosting that we're going to use that I made from scratch. You can check the video before this one, okay? Alright. So now I'm just going to put some right there in the middle. Some there. Some there. Now this is a cake spatula. You can just decorate the cakes with this. See how I can move it around with this? Okay, so you can put more where you see you need more. You want to bring it right to the edge. Once you have it to all your edge, okay, so let me show you that. Don't worry about the edges and all of that. We gotta fix that. So that's the first layer. I'm going to put on, I'm sure you can see, I'm going to put on the next layer. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to do the same thing. Put it on the top and then just flatten it out across the cake. Put more where it's needed, covering your edges. See, you notice how I'm turning the cake with the plate? Okay, so you can just keep moving it with the plate. Okay. Okay, let me show you this. That's the second layer. Now we got one more to put on. Okay, it's our 3 layers. Now just put frosting on the top. Just covering my edges. Okay. I'm not going to put it on the side. I'm going to leave it just like this. As I think it looks pretty with the two-tone like that. Let me clean up that. The frosting that's left over, you can put it in a container and put it in the freezer. And now you have frosting. When you get ready to use it, take it out maybe 2-3 hours ahead of time. And you'll have your German chocolate frosting. Okay, I need a plate to show you. Give me a second. Guys, I just want you to get one more look before I slice her. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna slice her. Okay, guys, look at that. How about that, huh? Wow. Let me taste it for you. Wow. Oh my goodness, that's so good. That frosting tastes like caramel. Now if you can't have nuts, you can make it, just leave the nuts out, okay? Okay, so thank you for hanging around. Thank you for everything that you do for me, following me, supporting me. Share the video, subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and check out my links below and see if you'd like to donate to this channel with my GoFundMe or Patreon. Okay? Talk to you soon, and I love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.